FollowMee converts your mobile phone into a GPS tracking device. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the FollowMee app on an iPhone, add an Android phone to your account, and monitor location on the map. After installing the FollowMee app in the App Store, open the app. Grant the permission for the app. Press the Start button. If you have an existing FollowMee account, you can fill in the account information. Otherwise, register for a new account. Fill in the required information. Press the Continue button. On the location permission, choose Allow while using app. Then next screen, choose Change to Always Allow. FollowMee requires Always Allow for the location permission. Now you can close the FollowMee app and it will track in the background. To access the location on the map, open the app, then touch Menu, and lastly view Online Map. Now you can see the location of this iPhone. Next, I will show you how to add an Android phone to your account. Install the FollowMe app in your Android phone. Open the app. Press the Start button. Now you can fill in your account username and password. You can edit the name of the device so that it will show up as what you want on the map. On the location permission screen, choose While using the app. Allow physical activity. On the next location permission, select Allow all the time. There are still more permissions to set. Touch the menu button. First one is Ignore battery optimization. Choose Allow. Second one is Disable unused app hibernation. Scroll down on the app info screen and turn off Manage app if unused. Now we have granted all the permissions successfully. You can close the app now and the app continues to track in the background. Now I will show you how to monitor your device's location on a browser. This works for a mobile phone and computer. Open a browser and go to followme.com. Log into your account. Go to the map page. You can see your iPhone and your Android on the map. Select one of the phones. If you have a paid subscription, you can view the past travel history. Click the All link to go back to the multiple phone view. This concludes this tutorial. You have learned how to add devices on FollowMe and learned how to access the location of the devices. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, check out our FAQ page on our website. Goodbye.